Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another nail haul video from Amazon, Walmart, and a PR package from Saviland. And I wanted to see if you guys can guess the exciting news I'm going to say by the items I show in this nail haul. So let's get right into this video. So I ordered some buffing blocks with a 180/240 grit, and it comes with 20 blocks for about $8, which is great. And I needed some more because I was low on the ones that I've had, so I just ordered some more. Next, I bought this Model 1's Polygel kit, and I just wanted to buy it to compare it to the other polygels that I have. So now here are their instruction manual. That you see here just tells you how to do the polygel and their storage and warning and tips and to contact them. So that's their manual. And now these are the colors. It is a light pink, a white, you have a color changing one, silver gold, and a darker pink. And now here are some dual forms that I don't usually use. A mini UV LED lamp, some base coat right there, and some top coat, and then a gel brush, Model 1 gel brush, a 180 grit nail file. And so I'll swatch everything and show everything else once I make a separate video for that. Now here are some palettes that I bought in color green and pink. And I use this for when I'm making like nail designs or mixing gel colors. It's just so much easier to put it on the palette and mix it up together. I highly recommend these if you do like nail art. And it's purple, sorry, not pink. And here are some Halloween decorations that I got along with some stickers. And I bought these obviously for the Halloween season in October. For October videos, I plan on doing, like the last 2 weeks, I plan on doing a couple Halloween and fall nail designs. So check on that. These are the stickers. Can't wait for it. So now I bought this Beatles Builder Gel kit because I needed some more Builder Gel. I love Builder Gel. It works great for me. But if you guys see my previous videos on it, I have the gel bottle ink and it was separating and I just could not use it, and they're pretty, they're pretty expensive. So I went to buy these to try these out. And here are some tweezers that it comes with, an application guide, so basically an instruction guide to tell you step by step how to use them. And then it comes with some nail forms. I don't really like these nail forms. I use tips, mostly fake tips. And here's some rhinestones, different shapes. And now some glitters, some rose gold glitter, holographic glitter, and butterflies, a 180/100 grit nail file, a gel pen, a gel brush, and then 6 Builder gels. And it doesn't have a color on it, just a name, just a number on it. So I'll reveal those swatches in a separate video. And here is an organizer I got from Amazon also. This I just got for like my lint-free wipes, my wooden cuticle pushers, and just anything else that I might need. And now I needed some more cuticle remover for like pedicures and manicures to soften up that cuticle. And this is the brand that I always get. The Blue Cross works really good. So I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a cuticle remover. Now in this package, I got some Dappen dishes, and that's because I am doing acrylic again, which I'm so excited to do. I couldn't do acrylic. Well, I stopped doing acrylic because the smell was just too overwhelming in the house and it would linger. And I just didn't like having guests come over and smelling it like, you know, a nail salon. Nobody wants to smell or their house to smell like a nail salon. So I stopped for a while. And now I'm back at it. So here are these 2 glass Dappen Dish that I got. And I got 2 just in case, you know, one ever breaks, or I wanted one at home. And they're a good size, no cracks, no breaks. So I can't wait to use them. And here are some glass bottles that I got in a pack of 6. And this is just for liquids like my cuticle remover to make it easier to come out, because it is a dropper top. So it just make it much easier. So I wonder if you guys have figured out the news yet. Well, I can't wait any longer. So I slowed down this part for you guys. And the exciting news is I'm going to be working in a nail salon again. Yay, I'm so excited. So I'll be taking clients, guys. I'm in the Tamarack, Florida area. I'm doing an October special, $35 basic sets, basic full set. So if you want to design, it's extra. And gel manicures for $20. So yeah, I cannot wait. You know, when I started my journey of wanting to become a nail tech, it was like 6 months before the pandemic. And then I got my license literally like a month before the pandemic. So when I started working in the nail salon, 3 weeks later, we were shut down, you know, in New York City, because that's where I came from. So now that I'm in Florida, I am so excited to finally get back to, you know, working in the salon and doing nails on clients. And, you know, I just took some time off for family and stuff. So now that everything is in order in my life, I'm ready and cannot wait. So yeah, again, guys, I will leave a booking link below that you guys can book your appointments. If you're in the neighborhood, come check me out. Can't wait to meet you guys. And sorry for saying guys so much. I don't know why I did that. But here are some nail boxes that I got. I needed these because I have a lot of loose nail tips. If you guys seen my previous videos before, when I buy nail tips from Amazon, they usually come in a plastic bag. So, you know, I wanted them in boxes and, you know, labeled with the size number. So I got those. Now here are some sanding bands, and I got different size sanding bands, which I can't wait to use. This is something new for me. I usually always just got the 180 grit sanding bands, but this time I got 3 different grit sanding bands, and they're like black, brown, and white. So the white ones are 180 grit, and the brown ones are 80 grit, and then the black ones are 240 grit, which is like a buffer. So I'm guessing, you know, 240 grit I would use on the natural nail bed. The 180 grit and 80 grit for like, you know, the fake tip, like the acrylic or the hard gel. So here I'm just showing you the sanding bands and how they look. And it also came with a silver mandrel bit, and that is to attach the sanding band so that it has a bit and you can use it. As you can see here, later on I'll attach it just to make sure that it fits, because sometimes the sanding band doesn't fit properly to the mandrel bit, so I made sure that I tried it on. And this is from Walmart. I got this organizer to hold my nail brushes, so it's just easier for me to get when I'm doing nails instead of always going in my drawer and looking for a brush that I need, you know. So it's just going to be more helpful when I'm doing nails and clients. And next I got these 2 glass bowls for manicures, so clients could dip their hands in and, you know, get it soaked and clean. Now I got these 2 spray bottles in blue and pink. I figure that they're just like nail tech colors. For some reason, they always make them in blue and pink. So the spray bottles are for like alcohol, and then I got these push bottles for also alcohol or acetone. And now this is my PR package that I received from Saviland. And now these are some semi-cured gel nail wraps. And they come in this black plastic, and I'm guessing that's because it's, you know, again, since they're semi-cured, you want to make sure that it's doesn't cure in any light, so you use the black plastic so that it doesn't cure and you can't use it. So I will be making a future video on this because I'm not too sure how to use them. This will be my first time, but it seems like it's like a nail sticker that you put on, and instead of a sticker, it's like a cure that you have to cure it. Like, it's already gel, and all you have to do is just basically do normal prepping and place it on your your nail. You know, take off the extra, cut off the extra that you don't use, and just cure it. And all the designs are on the front, so you see like each one has a different design, which seems cool. So let's see how this works. I never tried this before, so look out for that upcoming video. And lastly is this KADS, KADS Sable Kolinsky brush in the number 12 for acrylic. And I got a new brush just because I have a brush that's in number 8 and I wanted to try something bigger. And I also heard that the Sable Kolinsky brushes are like, you know, the top brushes for acrylic, so I wanted to try it out. So I will give you, you know, an update and let you guys know how that works. And that's all for my nail haul video. Like I said, guys, if you're in the Tamarack area in Florida, come check me out. If you want your nails done, I'm doing a special on my manicures, $20 gel manicures for basic, you know, gel. And also $35 basic full set. No designs. If you want designs, it's extra, of course. But the link will be in my bio, so please come check me out. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and check out, you know, look out for my upcoming videos on the products that I had in this nail haul video. So I'll see you guys next time.